Audio Jungle.
So the piggies ran and hid inside their houses three. One in bricks and one in straw, and the third inside the sticks, you see.
Then the big bad wolf went blow, blow.
Audio Jungle.
The three little pigs went oink, oink, oink in just one house, all three.
Audio Jungle.
The one of bricks, 'cause the straw and sticks were blown away by the wolf, you see.
And the big bricks was firm and fixed, so the pigs were safe and free, you see. And the wolf could have no tea, you see.
No, the wolf could have
Audio
no
Jungle.
tea. No, the wolf could have no tea, you see. No, the wolf could have no tea.
Baba black sheep,
Jungle.
have you any wool?
Audio Jungle.
Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags
Audio
full.
Jungle.
One for the master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, and one fell out. There were 9 in the bed, and the little one said, roll. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There were 8 in the bed, and the little over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, and one fell out. One said, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. One said, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one.
Audio Jungle.
There was one in the bed, and I'm lonely. Okay. Hi, my friend.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and